great beings of light. We come to clear up some confusion about your world, dimensions, and resonation. We see your 3D world has not changed one bit since the beginning, and here is why: it's not supposed to. 3D is 3D. It resonates at a super low 7.8 Hz frequency, and this can never be changed. It always was this way and it always will be this way. You will always exist in all 12 dimensions of this universe, but you do not have to resonate at that low frequency even while walking around in it physically. The question is, are you vibrating at the unconscious human 3D frequency of pain, suffering, and slavery, or is your frequency closer to the 5D, 21 Hz, crystalline new earth, and heaven vibration where all pain and suffering has been transcended? Some of you may be resonating with even higher dimensions like 6, 7, and 8D. You can tell by how your life is going and by how you feel inside. No one is the judge of this but you, and the goal is to keep doing your inner work and releasing old energies, cutting old unhealthy cords, and remembering to love yourself enough to be impeccable in all areas of life with no fear. Our mission and goal here now is to assist you in reaching the 5D level, where the 3D matrix no longer has any effect on you. It cannot affect you because 5D is an entirely different state of being and a totally different reality than 3D, and the two worlds have nothing to do with each other. Different dimensions have nothing in common except you, but it is up to you to choose the frame of now that you want to exist in. It is that simple. You can start now and insert the 5D reality into your conscious viewer, if you will, and start being this state of being, and you will see the miraculous magic of switching reality timelines to the new Earth grid. This is the grand quantum leap for an Earth being to raise their internal vibration to one of love and light, where no more reactionary mental, emotional, and physical pain exist. 5D is the beginning of the good part you have been trying to reach so hard. Sometimes it's easy to forget that you don't have to resonate at the 3D level, regardless of the hardcore programming bombarding you each day from every direction. You have the power to consciously override the old harmful program with your own, so we suggest you start programming your reality the way you want it now. Let us tell you now about the new Earth grid that has fully been in place since the end of 2015, and is waiting for you to raise up to it vibrationally. Moment by moment, we are creating a new crystalline light grid of new Earth, which operates at a higher frequency than the old electromagnetic grid, the matrix, in which humankind have maintained their consciousness connection for the past 350,000 years. The crystalline light grid is part of our new consciousness matrix. It is a manifestation of our evolutionary process and the patterned growth of universal consciousness. We are all co-creators of this crystal matrix of diamond light energy. It is a self-operating, and self-sustaining system of communication and energy transfer. It is strengthened as more and more people connect into it. Its potential is infinite. All beings that do not resonate at this new frequency will not be a part of this reality. They will continue to experience a lower vibrational 3D reality which is heading towards literal oblivion, more and more each day. As light beings, we channel inward great flows of cosmic divine energy with the capacity to direct this light outward through directed meditative thought for the highest good. By unifying our energies in synchronized states, we form a powerful light vortex. This energy can cleanse, brighten, energize, heal, and activate each one of us, according to our intent and flow. Our intent is light of the highest order, transferred to the new grid. Millions of angelic light beings are now here on the earth in human bodies, creating and holding the connection of the higher frequencies and to each other. At the same time, we are anchoring the lines and grid points. All of this is occurring on a multi-dimensional level. We are literally opening a new space or portal here where this high-frequency grid is overlaid onto the old electromagnetic grid, allowing a higher consciousness to permeate everything and everyone. To ascend to higher frequencies, our Merkaba, the light body ship, is required for us to evolve into crystalline form, creating harmonic resonation to be able to access the new grid. Once we tap in and are fully connected, the grid activates us and itself in the process. We send out a worldwide call for unification in our efforts to co-create a planetary civilization of light and galactic society. The time has come for us to truly clarify and embody the concept of unification, in order to synchronize our heart-mind intent into one giant network of divine intent. By understanding that we all are on the same mission with our individual focus and roles, we work towards a conscious transformation of our individual efforts into one collective and very influential energy matrix. Our unification on the planetary crystalline grid allows us to continuously receive and exchange information in absolute knowing, which is essential to accelerating our evolution as a species, and in alignment with the greater plan. As each of us enlists our services with the unified collective, we reinforce this planetary network of light while fostering the creation of the intergalactic bridge. The goal of the massive harmonic resonant field created through our grid unification, is to amplify the power of light on Earth to such a degree, that the resultant global shift in frequency will eliminate all major conflict and destructive energy in and among our population. Moreover, this extraordinary field of unification creates an influential force field capable of healing and transforming the multitude, and reaching into every corner of the world. The crystalline grid links all the crystals in the earth and crosses major portals, vortexes, and dimensional doorways that connect the earth to cosmic forces and other dimensional worlds. This elaborate geometric grid was also known to the ancients and is why many of the world's pyramids, religious sanctuaries, and mystical sites coincide with its lines. It is through this geodesic, holographic crystalline matrix that the new Earth consciousness paradigm is anchored. We are the bridge that completes this galactic circuitry. We give great gratitude to the many beings who have contributed to the repair and reactivation of this grid structure, which, some people say, was previously used during the time of Atlantis to support its higher dimensional existence. This grid is increasingly charged as more of us connect to and merge into this multi-dimensional expansive energy. We, as the human portals and radiators of this grid and crystalline energy, can direct tremendous amounts of transforming energy from the grid to certain people, places, and events. We can also be charged and recharged with endless energy as we connect into the grid and go about our mission in the outer world. The grid is a storehouse of the entire knowledge of this universe and holds the template for the new Earth energetics. By synchronizing our thoughts and heart intentions onto the grid, this creates a unified harmonic frequency that connects our collective higher light into one force field. Examples of how to use the new Earth grid. To send love and healing to other beings in your reality, to heal oneself. To instantly connect with other individuals and groups in your reality. To assist with personal and planetary transformation. To activate latent coding. To access the universal language of light. To develop and transmit telepathic communication. To link the world into unity consciousness. To develop skills in expanded consciousness. To communicate more easily with other dimensional light intelligences. To use as an entry and exit point for interdimensional travel. To embody absolute knowing. In this new consciousness matrix, we have easier access to all knowledge and to unlimited energy. We open up to our highest divine human potential. We become energy alchemists and masters of manifestation, as one unified light beam. By connecting to the grid daily and using this as our bridge into the new Earth reality, we will make a profound and accelerated impact upon our individual process, planet Earth, and that of the mass awakening of humanity. I am the one true Archangel Michael in a human body who speaks these words to the people of love and light on the earth. I will stay beside you, guiding and helping, holding light in this body for you until you are able to do it all for yourself. Godspeed, great beings, Archangel Michael.